Idyll is a short poem or an episode in a larger poem which describes a beautiful rural scene or incident. It is not a poetic genre in the strictest sense. It is a brief poetic images and has no fixed form. The term is derived from the Greek word meaning little form or little picture. Idyll is a vivid visual description of an idealized or serene environment. It often creates an impression of beauty, simplicity, and harmony in nature and presents rural life in an idealized manner. Other examples include Henry Wordsworth Longfellow's The Village Blacksmith, Alfred Lord Tennyson's English Idylls, and other poems, and Robert Browning's dramatic idylls. Limerick is a short and humorous, sometimes bawdy poem consisting of 5 anapaestic. The rhyme scheme is AABBA. The oldest recorded limerick is a 13th century Latin prayer by Thomas Aquinas, while the oldest English ones date to the early 18th century. The origin of the name of this form is obscure, and there are several theories about the same one being that it is a reference to the Irish town of Limerick. The English poet Edward Lear popularized the form in his collection A Book of Nonsense, 1846. Two examples are given below. The authorship of the first is unknown, the second is by Edward Lear. Metrical romance is another form of narrative poetry that resembles the epic. This genre includes verse stories told in the Romance languages, which dealt with chivalry, knight-errantry, fighting, adventure, magic, and love. Later, the genre began to include similar stories written in English too. This form was popular from the Middle Ages to the 19th century. Chaucer's The Knight's Tale, Ludovico Aristo's Orlando Furioso, Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene, Walter Scott's The Lay of the Last Minstrel, and The Lady of the Lake. Tennyson's Idylls of the King could be called metrical romance. Epistle is a letter in verse that is addressed to a friend or a patron. There are two types of epistles, on moral and philosophical themes and on romantic themes. The classical model for the moral epistle is Horace's Epistles, and for the romantic epistle, Ovid's Heroics. During the Middle Ages, the Ovidian type was very popular. After the Renaissance, the Horatian kind had a greater impact in England. Ben Jonson was the first to use the Horatian epistle in The Forest. Alexander Pope was the greatest exponent of the form. His moral essays and epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot are excellent examples of the epistle.